Alexa, open smart car.
Welcome. You can ask me to move your smart car in any direction. Which would you like to try?
Move forward.
Moving forward.
Move back.
Moving back.
Pause.
Stopping now.
Take left.
Moving left.
Take right.
Moving right.
Pause.
Stopping now.
Move forward.
Moving forward.
Move back.
Moving back.
Stop.
Stopping now.
on the left hand side we have the nodemcu motorshield, and on the right hand side we have the nodemcu development board. So the development board, it gets fixed on top of the shield. Let me fix it. So there is a white button on the right hand side. You can control the power for the motor shield using this particular button, and the connections starting from the right hand side, the first two connections, these are to give power to the ESP development board which we have fixed on top of the shield. So the first one, it is the ground, and the second one, it is the V in. So the maximum power that you can give to the ESP development board is starting from 4.5 volt to the 9 volt. The next two connections, the third one from the right and the fourth one from the right, the third one is ground and the fourth one is VM. So these connections are to give power to the motor shield. We have to give separate power to the motor shield. So here we can give power starting from 4.5 volt to the 36 volt. So now let's talk about the connections on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, these connections are to connect motor. So starting from the left hand side, first one is A negative and then A positive. So we can connect one motor on this, and then we have B negative and B positive. We can connect the other motor on this. So let's connect. So this one is the positive from the battery. So I'm gonna attach one more wire to it, and this one is the negative from the battery, and I'm again gonna attach one more wire to it. And the reason I'm doing so, because I'm going to use same power supply for nodemcu development board and the motor shield. Again, this button is optional. You can completely avoid it because we have one power button already given in the motor shield. So this one is negative, so I'm gonna attach it to the first point, which is the negative for the ESP. So this, from this side, it will go here. Now this wire, I can attach it to the negative of the motor shield, which is the third from the right. So this is how it will look. We are giving negative to the first point, which is for the ESP, and then we are pulling the negative to the third point, which is the negative for the motor shield. Now similar way, let's attach the positive as well. Okay, so positive from the battery is going here on the second point, which is for the ESP development board, and we are pulling this positive to the fourth one, which is the positive for the motor shield. Now from the left hand side, we have 4 points, and starting from here, first 2 points, I'm gonna connect these two tires which are visible on this side, and the other tires I'm gonna connect to the first 2 points. Okay, so our connections are made. I have fixed ESP development board on top of the car. Now let's try to power on the board. This button is already on, so I'm gonna turn on the white button. So if you see, board is power on. Both motor shield and ESP development board, they are getting the power. The next thing that we need to do is we need to transfer our code in the nodemcu development board, and I'm gonna attach this USB port with the computer. But at this point in time, you have to make sure that you power it off. So I'm going to attach the cable right here, and the other side of the cable, it will go to the USB port of the computer. Now remember, at this point in time, motor shield is off, and once we are done uploading the code, we will remove this particular cable. Okay, so at this point in time, this nodemcu board, it's connected to the USB port of my computer. So let's quickly upload the code. Okay, so our code is uploaded completely. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to work on the Alexa skills, and we are done with our smart car after that. So in case you are interested in learning the Alexa skills, I have already launched a separate series which talks in detail about making a smart bulb using the Alexa skills. So I would request you to go through that series, and you will be good to go with the Alexa skills after that. Alexa, open smart car.
Welcome. You can ask me to move your smart car in any direction. Which would you like to try?
Move forward.
Moving forward.
Move back.
Moving back.
Pause.
Stopping now.
Request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.